I've been working with this real estate investment trust out of New York for probably 7 years. It's gone through several different management companies, but they reached out to me as kind of like a supplement of their leasing staff. I've helped them with several other assets over the last number of years. This has actually helped us grow our leasing portfolio as part of our property management arm at 4J Real Estate. And the really cool thing about this particular group is that they blindly trust me in being able to market their properties. A month ago, they came to me and said, we've got this property on Capitol Hill. We'd love for you to rent this. It's not vacant yet. We're gonna have to do some stuff to turn it, but we'd love to get you to market it and rent it for us. Terrific. So they said, why don't you take a look at the property, see what the pricing strategy that we had and whether or not that's appropriate. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment in Capitol Hill, DC. They were asking $3,300 for this almost 900 square foot property. I looked at the comps and it looked like they were cutting themselves short. Like they really needed to up the rent to probably, I was suggesting $3,600. They decided to up the rent to $3,600, and within a week, we had it rented for 2 years. You know, to arrive at that price, I had to look at area comps. And so you look at the multiple list service. I also look at Zillow, some of the other sites out there that have, you know, rental properties and have rented. And I looked in the $3,300 range and I saw that there were properties that were inferior to this property that were being rented. And it looked as if we crept higher to like $3,600, $3,700 a month, that those properties were more aligned and akin to this actual property on Capitol Hill. For 2 years, rents kind of held stagnant, and now we're starting to see them increase, and a lot of people aren't aware of that, but that's the realtor difference. That's the benefit of engaging a realtor to really help you navigate these nuances to the industry. Usually the property management company's doing all of this work, but oftentimes property management companies have come to realize the benefit of engaging a realtor to supplement their leasing practices. It's because we have, you know, much more access to a wider audience than they actually have access to. That's why we not only have this, you know, real estate investment trust out of New York, but we have large-scale apartment buildings throughout the DC, Maryland, Virginia area. That's the difference of people coming to like 4J Real Estate, is that we take a holistic approach in looking at, you know, properties and how we can best market them, manage them, and how we can get them, you know, off the market and rented as quickly as possible.